I'm Heath Myrick. I'm the owner of Lighthouse Outdoor Lighting in Knoxville, Tennessee. I design, install, and service outdoor lighting systems. I feel like our main strength in lighting and outdoor lighting in our market is the design. It's the big part of it. You know, the design makes a huge difference. It can make the difference between a showcase, and people saying, oh my gosh, wow, what'd you do? Look at that, that's awesome, to, it just being, yeah, thanks, and so we're shooting for that wow factor.
My wife got online and found Lighthouse and Heath, and the amazing thing was it all happened so fast. I called Heath and he was out here the next day, and within a week he was already working on stuff, and it really fit our timeline. It really bailed us out more than anything, because I about made a very huge mistake. The way Heath laid it out was a whole lot less lighting, a whole lot dimmer lighting, and which turned out to be a lot more tasteful. So the first time we met Heath, we felt very at ease about going with Lighthouse rather than the way we were going to go.
This is all that we do, is outdoor lighting. So we're not doing irrigation, we're not doing landscaping. This is all that we're focused on. And that's what's cool about when you just do this, I think, is that it can become an art or a craft, or just, you can really become specialized. Everybody can get the 70 to 80%, but it's the extra 20%, it's the detail that often sets you apart, it gives your project that, wow, and that's what we're after.
He actually would call me and remind me of where we were and what I needed to do, when I should have called him and told him I was pouring somewhere the next day. So he really kept the pace of it better than I did. I had so much going on. It answered every call I ever called, came when he said he was going to come, on time, in the morning, worked late, had guys, sufficient labor, and really impressed me. Out of all the subs we had out here, this was the most smooth transition I had.
For me, is very important to be there for people after the fact and know that we're going to be there, and also to have a company behind me, Lighthouse, that is more on a national scale. I mean, we're in a relationship business, and so being able to address the concern that often homeowners have about, are we going to stand behind our work, is very important to us.
We about made a big mistake trying to do it on our own. I think putting it in the hands of professionals that know what they're doing and how to light the outside properly in the right areas, to not just spotlight everything, is a very, very good move.
If you're considering outdoor lighting in Knoxville, give us a call, give us a try. It won't cost you anything for us to come out and take a look at your project, talk to you, show you what we do, and hopefully we're a fit. If we're not, that's okay. But none of our customers, I've not had one customer regret the decision to move forward. Everybody loves what we do, and give us a call.
A thoughtful and well-conceived lighting design will add warmth and elegance to your home like nothing else can. Have questions? Contact us and speak to one of our certified designers today.